Hey guys, this is Jacob Krantz with RE/MAX Krantz Associates. This is going to be the best value you're going to see on a 3-bedroom, 3-bath condominium here at Lake of the Ozarks this summer. Welcome to 188 Charleston Drive. With over 1,300 square foot of space, this condominium exudes value. You also have a 12 by 30 boat slip located in a protective cove, as well as phenomenal location by road, close to many restaurants, as well as by water. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your busy day to check out my new listing. If you or any of your friends are interested in this slice of paradise, give us a call directly at 573-302-2355.